YouTube. What is up, YouTube? Hello, Mr. Kate coming at you live. How are you guys doing? I hope you had a good and relaxing weekend. We are just gonna keep on going with the same crap, genetics. So here we go. This is the first worksheet I posted. This is going to be 6.1. So what we are doing is Punnett squares. This is usually what a lot of people remember from biology. Like when I ask adults, like, how's your biology class? They're like, oh, the Punnett squares are cool. So yeah, you guys are going to remember this forever. So we're going to start out with the article, 6.5. Read a couple paragraphs. It's going to ask you what do these letters represent? The answer is hidden somewhere in the photo. That one's pretty easy. And then you're going to go down. It's going to talk about different crosses. So what a cross is essentially two parents mating. So you've got this kind of plant, and it has these genes, capital F, and it has to do with the flower genes. So you're basically mating these plants and seeing what the kids are going to look like. So the second answer, it's going to ask, what are the kids going to be? What genotypes? If you have a parent with two capital F's and two lowercase f's. So I'm looking for, you can find it up here. What is going to happen when you have two capitals, two lowercase f's? And remember for Punnett square, so these are the parents up here, and then these are the kids. So this worksheet was pretty simple. And then for the second one, we're going to go talking about more practice with Punnett squares. So it's going to basically be a fill in the blank. Read the article, fill in the blanks. Most of the answers are highlighted, so I thought that was nice. Genetics is the study of blank. What are traits? Blah, blah, blah. Fill in those blanks. And then it's going to dive into what Punnett squares are all about. So here we go. These Punnett squares, it's basically going to show you how to do one. So you put the parents up top, and then you drag these ones down and drag these ones across. So with every two parents, you're going to have four possibilities. So two parents, four possible offspring or children. So the first one is done for you. You have a parent with brown hair, and then another parent with brown hair. And then you're trying to figure out what kind of hair are your kids going to have. And if you do the cross, as you can see, whenever a kid has a capital letter, they're going to get brown hair. But if they have two lowercase b's, they're going to get blonde hair. And blonde is recessive, and that's usually why blonde hair is more rare, because if you ever have a dominant allele, you're going to get brown hair. Okay, so this next one, it's going to be based on flowers. So then you're going to fill out the Punnett square, and then tell me what kind of things are the kids going to have, like C, or C, or lowercase, and then tell me what the flower is going to look like. Are they going to be circular or square? All right. Cool. And now for the last one. This one's going to be a little tricky. For each problem, you're going to draw a Punnett square and then write the genotypes and phenotypes of the offspring. So like, for example, you have a tall plant and a short plant, and then you're going to mate them. And this first one's going to be two tall plants, and when it says heterozygous, it's going to be different. So you have capital lowercase times capital lowercase, and then you're going to fill out the Punnett square. So you can multiply these, bam. Remember, bring this down, bring this one across. And then lowercase. And then here, you're going to tell me the genotype. So what genes are all the kids going to have? And then what are the kids going to look like? So genotypes, how many of them are TT? You can say 1 out of 4 or 25%. Capital T lowercase, that's going to be 2 out of 4. And then lowercase, that's only 1 out of 4. And then the phenotypes, this is where you're going to tell me what do they look like. So that's going to be 1/4 of the plants are short, and then 3/4 are tall. Cool. So that was the first one done for you. Based on how we did the first one, your task is to do the rest. I recommend you do a 3x3 table. That's the easiest way, and then fill in the parents, and then bring them across. If you have any questions, I do hold office hours from 2 to 3. If there's anything I can help with, please feel free to reach out on Remind or Instagram or email. Yep, I hope you guys are doing well. I know it was a crazy time, but it's also a really good time to catch up on TV or anime or Netflix or whatever you're doing. So yeah, there's a upside and downside to everything. So this is Mr. Keen signing off. I will see you tomorrow.